I welcome you to the solution of assignment 10, and assignment 10 is specific to Six Sigma in supply chain, Taguchi method and robust design. So there are 15 questions as we have included in all the assignments. Question 1, Taguchi's robust design uses certain data which are as follows: 50, 20, 30, 35, 25. What will be the SN ratio for the design process? You can see the options on the screen, and we can compute it like this. Mu, that is the mean, is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 by n, which is 32. The standard deviation is 11.51. Signal to noise ratio you can compute is mu by sigma, 32 by divided by 11.51, 2.78. Question 2. An automobile manufacturer uses about 60,000 pairs of bumpers, front bumper and rear bumper, per year, which it orders from a supplier. The bumpers are used at a reasonably steady rate during the 240 working days per year. It costs rupees 180 to keep one pair of bumpers in inventory for 1 month, and it costs rupees 1500 to place an order. A pair of bumpers costs rupees 9,000. What is the economic order quantity? So the correct answer is B, 289. You have D, annual demand, that is 60,000 pairs. S, ordering cost, that is 1500 per order. H, carrying cost, you can compute 180 into 12, that is rupees 2160, and EOQ you can find, that is 289. Question 3. A design where plasticity does not change over a wide range of variations in operating conditions is known as process design, system design, robust design and flexible design. So the correct answer is robust design, because it is very much less immune to the variations and noise factors in the environment. Question 4. Which of the following is not an economic improvement oriented benefit of TQM in supply chain management? Reduction in operating cost, reduction in field service cost, reduction in library exposure, and improvement in product service. The correct answer is D, improvement in product service, and you can see the various benefits associated with customer satisfaction in TQM and economic improvements oriented benefits of TQM, and the correct answer is improvement in product service. Question 5. Which of the following equation is used by Taguchi to calculate SN ratio when response is to be minimized? So you can see the various options on the screen, and correct answer is C, SNT is equal to minus 10 log sigma y square divided by n. So the maximum robustness when target performance is the best, Taguchi uses the signal to noise ratio minus 10 log sigma y square divided by n. Now here is a formula, and you are supposed to identify what K represents correspond to Taguchi's OA based experimental design, and the answer is represented like this: ln, n is total number of runs, 2 is number of levels per factor, and K is number of factors. Question 7. Where are genetic algorithms applicable? Real time application, biology, artificial life, economics. The various options are here, and solution 7 is answer B, 1, 3 and 4 only. So GA can be used to evolve strategies for interaction in the prisoner's dilemma in economics. GAs are used as a computational method in Alife-simulation of living systems. GAs are used in protein structure. GAs cannot be applied in real time system. The response time is critical. Question 8. Which of the following statement regarding just in time is true? First, GID combines the benefits of job order production and line production. 2. The aim of GID manufacturing principle is to eliminate cost of excessive inventory. 3. The production activities in GID are pushed into action. So both 1 and 2 are correct, or B, both 2 and 3 are correct, or C, both 1 and 3 are correct, or D, all are correct. So the correct answer is A, both 1 and 2 are correct. GIT is a purchasing and inventory control method in which materials are obtained just in time for production to provide finished goods. Question 9. The purpose of supply chain management is increase production, improve quality of a product, provide customer satisfaction, integrate supply and demand management. So the correct answer is D, integrate supply and demand management. Question 10. TQM emphasizes a commitment to quality that goes beyond internal company issues to suppliers and our customers. B. The responsibility of the quality control staff to identify and solve all quality related problems. C. A system where strong managers are the only decision makers, and D. A process where mostly statisticians get involved. So we can see that correct answer is A. Basically, TQM philosophy emphasizes on achieving quality of work by enriching quality of all people directly or indirectly related to that work. Question 11. Which of the following statements are correct? By maximizing SN ratio, one can maximize robustness of a design. Smallest sensitive to noise gives better robustness of a design. So only 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, none of the above. Correct answer, both 1 and 2. Question 12. ABC Limited is engaged in sale of footballs. Its cost per order is rupees 24,000 and its carrying cost unit is rupees 600 per unit per annum. The company has a demand for 25,000 units per year. What is the total order required during a year? So you can substitute the values in a typical EOQ formula, and what you will find that EOQ is 14, 15, and if you divide this annual demand 25,000 by EOQ quantity, it comes out to be 18 orders. Question 13. Which of the following is a control factor of Taguchi's robust design? A. Operating temperature, B. Position of the gas pedal, C. Dimensions of parts, and D. Deposition time in silicon wafer fabrication. So the correct answer is C, dimensions of parts. Control factors, design factors that are to be set at optimal levels to improve quality and reduce sensitivity to noise. Second is noise factor, dimensional variation, operating temperature, etc. Adjustment factor, deposition time in silicon wafer fabrication, and finally signal factor, position of the gas pedal. Question 14. You are given a particular function, and suppose you are using genetic algorithm and chromosome of the form X is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H with a fixed length of 8 genes. Each gene can be any digit between 0 to 9, and let the fitness function is Fx. Let the initial population consist of 4 individuals with the following chromosomes, and now you are supposed to find which gene has the maximum fitness using genetic algorithm. So you can compute it by substituting the value in the function, and you will find that your correct answer is B, that is x2. Last question of this assignment, question 15. Cost of scrapping of a part is rupees 40 when it deteriorates from a target by plus or minus 0.15 mm. What will be the quadratic loss function for a given m of 2? So you can say L is equal to 11.68 y minus 2 square, L is equal to 15.48 y minus 2 square, and so on. So the correct answer is A, L is equal to 11.68 y minus 2 square, because the basic formula is L is equal to k y minus m square. L is equal to 40, y is equal to 0.15, m is equal to 2. So k comes out to be 11.68. So with this we have finished our discussion on solution of assignment 10, and I wish you all the best for the lectures in the next week, and once again we will meet to discuss the solution of assignment 11. Thank you.